Hey guys, Fuller here. Wanted to show you how to add a drawing and use the drawing tool inside of a Google Doc. So we already know there's Google Drawings and it's basically like a Google slide, but there's only one of them. So we can actually take that and open it up inside of a Google Doc. So down here at the very bottom of your HyperDoc, your assignment number 8 is to use the drawing tools. So the first thing we're going to do after we've made our plan of what we're drawing is go up and click Insert. And then we want to go down to Drawings. And you can see we could go ahead and we could have made one already and insert it, but we're going to create a brand new one right here inside of Google Docs. So now Google Drawings is going to open up right here on our screen on top of our document. So the instructions are, let's create a Venn diagram. So we need 2 circles. So we're going to use the shape tool here, go down to shapes, click circle. I'm going to hold down the shift key. That's my pro tip for you. Hold down that shift key and you're going to make a perfect circle right there. If we let go of the shift key, we're going to end up with some kind of squashed ellipse. So hold down that shift key and make a circle. Now I could do that again, or I could just copy paste and make another circle right there. So you're going to notice that since these circles are on top of each other, we're unable to see that cross section of the Venn diagram. So on both of those circles, let's head up to the paint bucket and click transparent. And then let's turn them both transparent just like that. So a nice simple Venn diagram right there. I'm going to size these up just a little bit more and get them situated. So now that I'm happy with that, I need a title for each side of the Venn diagram. So I'm going to use the text box tool right here. And we know on one side we have asexual reproduction. And the text box tool again. And we have sexual reproduction. So then we're going to use vocabulary from that approved list on assignment 8 in there. And so I have my cheat sheet pulled up on the side. So I know something with asexual reproduction is there's one parent. And I know with sexual reproduction there are 2. And so I'm going to continue on through here. And so just like in Google Slides or Google Docs, after you've entered all of your information, we can go back and we can change color and we can change fonts and kind of personalize it and make it our very own. But for the purpose of this, we just really need to make sure you get all that information put in there. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend I've filled it out and completed it. And so I'm going to hit save and close. And now I have this Google drawing inserted like an image into my document. If I decide, if I go and look back and I say, hey, I actually left out offsprings are unique to parent, and I need to go back in there and add that, all I have to do is double click and it's going to open my Google drawing back up and I can edit and I can move things around and add my next point and hit save, and everything is saved right there. So that's the quick way to add a Google drawing into your Google Doc.